I wish you a very good morning. So, lastly, we completed our 10th unit and we have done the revision. So, today we'll start with our 11th chapter. That also we have reached up to activity number 3, right? We have completed activity 1. Now we'll see activity number 3. So, let's see it. Activity number 3. Lata Mangeshkar, a living legend. Lata Mangeshkar is one of the most famous singer of the Indian film industry. So she is the most famous of it. She has sung more than 30,000 songs in 20 different languages. So she is most famous singer and she has sung more than 30,000 and 20 different languages. We have read it only. Lata Mangeshkar was born on 28 September 1929 in Indore. She was born in Indore. His father was also singer. She learned music at very young age. Was very young when her father passed away. Then what happened? Her father passed away at young age and she had to take care of her family. Lata acted in 8 films. So she had done film also and singing also both. Her first was Hindi playback was for film Aapki Seva Mein. वो first was the Aapki Seva Mein Hindi. This is not needed but then also we'll do just. She had 4 major hits film Barsat, Andaz, Dulheri and Mahal. So these are the 4 hit films name. Okay. She sang song with famous singer like Mohammed Rafi, Kishore Kumar, Mukesh, Sonu Nigam. This all she had sung beautiful songs with them. So this is about the Lata Mangeshkar and she also received the Bharat Ratna award, which is the highest award in the India. Now keywords is there in the paper style, right? So keywords we have to learn. Components means parts of something. Read it. Components means parts of something. Something drawing is there, which part is needed and for toy. If toy is there one, many different parts it will there. If you broke one part then it will not now. So components means part of something is known as component. Determination, the quality of doing something which is difficult. The difficult work you do which is different from other, that is known as determination. Accept, to receive something something as suitable. Accept means to receive something. If someone is telling, if from school teacher is telling that you have to complete this 2 chapters within 1 day, then you have to accept it and you have to do now like that. To receive something as suitable. Legend, a very famous person in a particular field who is admired by other people. So very famous person like Lata Mangeshkar. Okay. So this is called legend. So here in this legend 2 meanings are there. After comma is also there, who is admired by the people. So you can write one of them before comma or after comma. If you write 2 then also no problem, but you have to write one of them, it is compulsory. Okay. Now activity 4 that we don't need. Activity 5 also we don't need. So see, in the activity 5, say whether the following statements are true or false. So let's study that. So MS Subbalakshmi started the first music school in India. So she started the first music school. No. So there will come false. Subbalakshmi was called the coil. She was called the coil. No. So there will come false. The first gramophone record of India was made in Mumbai. It was made in Mumbai. No, it was not made in Mumbai. So there will come false because it was made in Calcutta. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya was set up by Pandit Pulaskar. Yes, true. Okay, so this we completed. Activity 6 that we don't need only. So we will not do this activity. Okay, activity 7. Yes, it is important. It contains 5 marks, right? So you have to write music therapy. I will give you only one therapy. Either I will give music therapy, write a music therapy on government hospital, or either write a music therapy in the kitchen. Both I will ask from one only. You have to write it whole. So let's study that music therapy in the kitchen. January 9, 2014. Listening to music while cooking takes away the boredom from this everyday activity. Listening to good music is always pleasant experience. So it was a pleasant experience to listen to hear music in the kitchen when you are working. It is a very nice experience. Listening to music while working in the kitchen and doing chores, making it more relaxing experience. So you will feel relaxed if the music therapy is there in the kitchen. Okay. Now on hospital. May 1st, 2012, TNN, Shimoga. The state government has decided to bring music therapy in government hospital. So their government think that music therapy will be there in government hospital. Health Education Minister announced that the Shimoga on Monday, this program will be introduced in government hospital in Shimoga, Bangalore and Mysore. So music therapy will be there in government hospital in these 3 cities, Shimoga, Bangalore and Mysore. And if it is there in a government hospital, then it will give very relaxing patient to the patient. So music therapy is there. Okay. So we completed activity 7. Then activity 8, Tana and Riri. So we will start directly with our activity 9. Tansen sang Deep Raga with great perfection. True or false? Here, wait a minute. See children, in this activity 9 true or false is there, but I have sent you a PDF. In that activity 8 is written, right? So put there 9. 9 on 8 only, 9 only it is, but it is from 8 chapter explanation. So I wrote there 8, but you have to write it 9 only. Okay. Tansen sang the Deep Raga with great perfection. Tansen sang that true. So it will come true. Write in the PDF activity number 9. Only Bhairavi Rag can bring showers of rain. Only Bhairavi Rag can bring. False. Tana and Riri were the classical singer of Maharashtra. No. Tana and Riri's music helps the Tansen heat of the body. True. Vadnagar is a town in Gujarat. Yes. Tansen had to fulfill Akbar's wish. Yes, because he have to obey the instruction from the Akbar, na? So he have to fulfill this wish. So this is activity number 9. Okay. You learn from this chair. 8 is written, you put 9. Okay. Now activity number 10B. Say whether the following statement are true or false. So here also true or false is there. The piper plays upon his pipe every day. True, because he is playing in pipe only. Only man and woman were fascinated by the piper music. No, all the surrounding also fascinated, na? It was the summer when the piper set out. False, because it was the winter. Everyone who heard the music was extremely delighted. True. The piper played on his pipe for the whole day. False. The piper music had a magical impact on listener. True. So, up to here we complete the whole revision of 10th and 11th chapter. Okay, I am speaking some fast in this lecture because we have to complete today our revision, and we completed it. Read properly and write properly. Okay children, best of luck for your exam. Thank you.